Good morning. Are you the new manager?
Good morning. Yes, my name is David.
Nice to meet you. I am Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
How long have you worked here?
I have worked here for 2 years.
Do you need help finding your desk?
Yes, please. I am a bit lost.
Your desk is next to the window.
Oh, wow! It is a beautiful view.
Where is your desk, David?
I sit right across from you.
Do you have a computer yet?
Not yet. It is coming soon.
What time do we usually have lunch?
We usually eat at 1 p.m.
Is there a cafe downstairs?
Yes, their chicken sandwich is the best.
That sounds great. Let's go together later.
Perfect. I will show you the way.
Hi, I am Tom. Who are you?
Hello, Tom. I am Ben.
Nice to meet you. Do you know Mark?
Yes, Mark and I work together.
Oh, cool. I am Mark's brother.
That is great. Do you live near here?
Yes, I live very close.
What do you do for work?
I am a graphic designer. And you?
I am a software engineer.
Do you work from home?
Yes, most of the time.
Are you hungry?
A little bit. Is the pizza good?
Yes, it is delicious.
Do you like cooking?
No, I prefer eating at cafes.
Me too. Let's go get some food.
Good morning. Are you going down?
Good morning. Yes, to the ground floor.
I am Mike. I live in 4B.
Hi, Mike. I am Paul from 5A.
Have you lived here long?
Only about 3 months. And you?
I have been here for a year.
Are you going to work now?
Yes, I work at the bank.
Do you work nearby?
No, I am a teacher.
Do you drive to work?
Yes, I do. Is the traffic bad?
It looks okay right now.
It is very cold outside today.
Yes, freezing. Do you have a coat?
Yes, I have my winter jacket.
Well, here is our floor.
Have a good day at work, Paul.
Thanks, Mike. See you around.
Excuse me, is this the line?
Yes, it is. It is very busy.
It always is on Monday mornings.
Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every day before work.
Their coffee is amazing.
What do you usually order?
I usually get a black coffee.
What about you?
I love their cappuccino.
Have you tried their pastries?
No, I haven't. Are they good?
Yes, the chocolate muffin is fantastic.
Do you work around here?
Yes, in the tall building nearby.
Are you a student?
Yes, I have a big exam today.
Oh, good luck. The line is moving.
Great. I need my coffee quickly.
You will make it. Have a good day.
Well, I have to go now.
It was really nice talking to you.
It was great talking to you, too.
Where are you going now?
I need to meet my brother.
What are your plans for today?
I am going to the gym.
Sounds like a good plan.
Would you like to grab coffee sometime?
I would love to. Next week?
Next week is perfect for me.
How about Thursday afternoon?
Thursday at 3 p.m. works for me.
Can I get your phone number?
Sure. It is 555-0198.
Got it. I will call you now.
Okay, my phone is ringing.
I will message you on Wednesday.
That sounds good. See you next week.
Thanks, John. Enjoy your day. Bye.